Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to this class. In this video, I'll be showing us how to make a simple felt fascinator. So I'll be using my feathers, my roses, and crinoline to embellish my felt cap. In this class, you would also be needing your needle and thread. You'd also need your tape. Okay, so now I'm simply taking the measurement of my crinoline that I would love to use. You can use something shorter or something longer. Okay? So just watch and learn.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our weekly videos every Wednesday by 3 p.m. So I'm simply making a bow, but it's not a single layer bow. It's a thick bow. So I'm attaching my feathers to the bow. Then I'll use the part of my rose that has the bendable wire, the millinery wire attached to it to fasten my work, like to make the feathers, the roses, and the crinoline to all come together, to tighten them together before I can now attach it on my felt cap. Okay? So watch and learn.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Returning viewers, old viewers, you're welcome to. Welcome. So I used a thread to fasten them together again after using the wire. This is to ensure that my work is very firm, very strong, and durable. Now I'll simply use my needle and thread to attach my embellishment on my felt cap, okay? Please subscribe. Thank you. So I'll keep stitching my embellishment on my cap, on the felt cap, until I feel it is strong enough, okay? Nobody wants to wear a cap or a hat or a fascinator and then it falls off. So at Viforma Minds, we ensure that our headpieces are very strong and durable.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Watching and learning. Kindly also follow us on Instagram, on Facebook. We're on link to our So now that I'm sure that everything that I've attached on my felt cap, like it's very strong, they're very strong, I will just simply go ahead and attach my band band on my felt cap, okay? cover is cut in Alice band stitched with this interline in order to make it neat. So I'm simply just applying it on the okay. Our beautiful fascinator is ready.